How to change location on Bigo Live account. Hi everyone and welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can change your location on Bigo Live. So without any further ado, let's get started with the video. Firstly, open up your Bigo Live app and make sure you have already logged into your account. Once you have logged in, you will arrive to the live page. Here at the bottom, you're going to find different options. Simply tap on the option of Me. Now at the top you will find your profile picture. Tap on it. With that you will land to your profile page. Now at the top right corner you will find this edit icon. Click on that. Over here you will find different sections. Scroll down and under personal information you can find the hometown option. Open it. Now from this page you will be able to select your country or region. Go ahead and select the country that you want to set for your Bigo Live account. Once you do that, click on the option of Confirm. With that, you have just changed your location on Bigo Live. That's it for the video, and if you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like, comment and share this video. Until then, see you next time.